Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, where we are doing our Halloween special. Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So today we're going to attempt to make a Chevy Colorado portable fog machine, ZR2 model. Anyway, so I've got some supplies and I basically went to Walmart and got the cheapest crap I could get, and I kept my receipt because I'm a little concerned that the power inverter might not cut it. Also, the fog machine is like the minimum. Anyway, okay. So I got a 400 watt fog machine. Now it doesn't say if that's 400 continuous watts or 400 peak watts. That makes a big difference. So I got the biggest inverter they had at Walmart was a 400 watt continuous, 800 watt peak. So if this is 400 watt continuous and this is 400 watt continuous, this will overheat the inverter, no question. So I might have to get a bigger inverter off Amazon. And then the fog juice, the really cheap, crappy fog juice, works fine in a 400 watt fog machine. However, I'm going to get some really high quality, it's called ground fog juice that sticks to the ground and lasts for like an hour after you spray it. That technically needs a 500 watt fog machine, but I mean, we could always just use the crappy fog juice if we have to. So this was like 35 bucks, $6 for this dryer duct. Fog juice was only a couple bucks, but that's just to test it. And then the battery, this battery came out of my blown up FRS, and I have another battery from my not running Porsche. So this will run the fog machine for about an hour at 400 watts, and then the other one will run the fog machine for about an hour at 400 watts. So, I mean, I don't want to kill the battery, because obviously it's not good for it, so we'll have to keep an eye on our, So the setup is going to be pretty simple. So we'll have it set up in the bed of the truck, so the bed of the truck fills with fog, and then it comes over and flows out, and the candy will be right here for the trunk or treat. Granted, this truck is pretty tall for little kids, so I'm not sure how we're going to handle that yet. But anyway, so we'll have the battery, and the battery goes to the inverter, which then goes to the fog machine, which then goes to the hose, which then will go to the cauldron, and the cauldron will be full of ice because you have to get the fog cold so it sticks to the ground. Otherwise, it'll float away. And that's definitely not something you want for a trunk or treat. So the fog juice goes here. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm going to put everything together. I really don't have to put that on video. I'll probably do like a 4 times time lapse. So I'm going to get this open. Got a remote. I'll bring extra remote batteries. Okay, so we are running at 75% output power It's showing 10.9 volts. It's a little concerning because this battery's been on a maintenance charger this whole time, so not really sure what that's about. Don't tell me that the battery's like dead and gone. 11 volts. Weird. That should be at like 12 something volts. I think the fog machine just automatically, I don't know, some fog machines have a kill switch and some don't. There's supposed to be a red light. I don't see a red light. There it is. Okay. So basically, we have to channel the fog through something that's fireproof and into the cauldron where the ice will be. I smell heat. Just don't know if it's the inverter that's burning or the fog machine. So basically, probably just stick it right like that. And then we'll have so the longer the tube, the better, because it'll help heat dissipate even before we get to the ice. Otherwise, we'll run out of ice in minutes if we're, melting the ice real bad. So I'd say we put, the hard part's gonna be getting it connected to the cauldron in a way that we won't get water back into the tube, and in a way that I think we can just drill a bunch of holes in the cauldron like this and kind of like, thought I saw it flash green for a second. I don't know if this inverter can keep up. And you'll start seeing fog. I saw something. Uh-oh. Oh, it's ready. Okay. Yeah, boy! Oh, shit. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now this is gonna fucking make the smoke detectors in here go fucking nuts, but why isn't the fog turning off? It's still going. It's not shutting off. Shut off. Please shut off. No. No. How do I shut it off? Oh my God. It's a fog nozzle. Rah. Okay. I guess it's like a spray cycle. Oh, please don't set the smoke detectors off. Okay, all right. So the inverter runs at 75% to handle the fog machine. So that means basically that means this is not a 400 watt fog machine. So whether or not it can handle the higher quality fog juice, I won't find out until I order some from Mr. Amazon. So we're gonna just set all this stuff off to the side for a second, and we're gonna work on oh, this is gonna completely fucking set off the smoke detectors. Oh, that is not good. This one over here takes the air conditioner to the fire, and there's one outside by the entrance door, in case the carbon, which is actually happened. I'm surprised I didn't die because, yeah. Okay, I'm door. Shit. It's not okay. Go out. There it goes. It's going. Not really. I want to clear out. Okay, so to modify the cauldron, we're gonna start with a nice brand new sharp drill bits. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna poke some holes in the bottom so that space out, so that the ice water can drain out without, like, getting to the fog machine. So you don't want the hole to be too big because it can interfere with the fog. So anyway, fresh drill bits will do. Okay, so no matter how it's sitting on the truck, that should at least allow some drainage. Okay. So next, actually, it starts going to the shop in a few days, so I'll be like, blow everything out of here. But anyway, so the hard part's going to be properly venting the fog into the cauldron. Number one, allowing ice to flow back into the tube, and two, not restricting the fog flow too much. So it's going to be sitting flat on the bed of the truck, and the hose is going to be coming up like this. Right, we're going to pull the hose steady. Okay, so finish the circle here. Okay, so what we're going to do, I would like to silicone the hose to the cauldron. I just don't know if that's a hold, but I'm going to create I don't want to drill holes that will interfere with the hose, so I'm going to give myself like a buffer zone. Let's hold the pain in the butt. Okay. Mm. Fuck. Goddamn fucking shit. Okay, so we're ready to give it a shot. I brought some ice, so... Oh shit, okay. All right. Whoops, ground first. Power, 12.3 volts. Plug it in, 75% load. Okay, got the remote over here. So now, it's just about perfect. A little off center here. Hold on. Oh, I see, the whole truck's off center. Okay, so we're gonna kind of crush this down so we can get a good seal. Okay, now hopefully it doesn't just like go right past the ice. Hopefully the ice actually does something. I'll have to make sure to bring plenty of ice with me. Okay. Get my cooler away from it. All right, there's still smoke hanging around from before, but this time I'm gonna open the door ahead of time. Okay. All right. So we actually know the fog machine's ready when the inverter powers down, because when it's hot, obviously it shuts off. So that also is good for the inverter. It gives the inverter a chance to rest, because a little green light on top's pretty worthless. So, all right, please work. It is hard to see if that green light's on. It's not. There it goes. All right, ready? Oh yeah, look at it. Look at it. Yes, yes, success. Bubbling cauldron. Oh yeah, and then that's so cool. We got a little fog leak somewhere, but let's see, how much fog can I get? I don't like that some of it's rising up, because that's not good. We got a leak somewhere. Okay, so ready? Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, where we are doing our Halloween special. Oh yeah. We got a big leak on the fog machine back there. Oh, this is not good. What? The fog's like, I guess not enough ice? I'll have to work on that. But anyway, that's it. That's the portable ZR2 fog machine. So I will see you guys next time.